Hello everyone, welcome to your daily economic calendar update for Tuesday the 3rd of February 2015. Today it's all about the RBA interest rate decision. As you can see, we don't have a lot of important data coming out besides the rate decision. However, we do have a large volume of data. I don't expect any of the data to manipulate price action or create volatility like the RBA, so I'll focus on that. However, as always, if we get a vast range of data being negative or positive, we shall see that should the theme be euro negative, the euro should come under a bit of pressure, likewise with the pound. Have to wait and see what the data comes out, but I don't expect anything major to come in. Therefore, technicals will be more in place for the other currency pairs, and I'll talk about those in the technical video. So let's focus on the RBA decision out in a few hours' time. And as you can see, the consensus is to leave rate on hold according to FX Street. However, if you have a look at bond markets and other markets, you'll notice that the market is pricing in a 65% chance of a rate cut. Therefore, the market's torn. And when the market's torn, there's going to be a reaction no matter what the outcome is, because people are position themselves in a various number of ways. So if we do get a rate cut, we will see the Australian dollar fall, and it should fall fairly significantly. The initial reaction will be there, and then it should follow on through throughout the week. If we don't get a rate cut, however, the interest rate statement will then become the focus. The initial reaction would be a bounce. People would initially buy the Australian dollar. However, if that interest rate statement was to indicate a rate cut in March, that bounce could be short-lived, and potential long traders could get whipsawed if they weren't just scalping. If the rate cut wasn't to eventuate and the RBA was to signal that they're not potentially looking to do anything with interest rates in the near term and the economy is quite good, that's not a likely outcome in my opinion, but it's definitely a possibility. Well, then we would see a relief rally. I'll be having a look at some trading opportunities in the technical video, as the remaining data for the day is purely minor. I don't believe that we're going to have a fundamental night besides the RBA decision out in a few hours. Therefore, technicals will be more in play, and I'll be putting out a video on the technicals and how we can trade and take advantage of the RBA decision in a few hours. I put out a trade last night. I'm still short the Australian dollar versus the CAD, and looking to move my stop loss to my entry and let the remainder of the trade ride. So I will talk to you all through the technical video, and until tomorrow, trade well.